Hello friends, how are you? Welcome again on my channel Therichpost, myself Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. Very first I will say stay home, stay safe and do coding because coding is the best like always. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you Angular material nested menus. So friends, on my screen, the top section you can see the navigation bar. Also with some anchor tags and icons and menu icon. So friends, here on the screen top section, you can see the text nested menu. So friends, when I will click on this text, you will see the nested multiple menus. So friends, for this very first, I'll say please watch the video till the end and also please subscribe my channel and please support me. So friends, let's start. So friends, now I'm going to click on nested menu. So look friends, so friends here you can see the Angular material nested menu working example. Look friends, just amazing. So friends, looks the effect. I just love it friend. Looking very good. Into my Angular application, Angular material nested menu working fine. So friends, like always, I will share the course repair link inside the video description. So friends, also if you have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside the video description. And friends, I'll again say please subscribe my channel. Please support me to grow my channel. I will come with more Angular 10 tutorials. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.